All right, we got the quick release belts in stock now, come in 3 different sizes. Quick disconnect. You'll run it through like that. Let me just unhook that part. And then we got this band. Once you adjust it, that takes the extra slack. So it'll be like that. And that helps support the holster for in the waist, inside the waistband carry. So 1.5 inches. So it'll fit in your standard pants, belt loop. If you was wearing jogging pants, something that don't have belt loops, it can go around your waist while this is inside the pants and help support the gun. So it works with all size holsters. And the magazine holster. And even with the Kydex holsters. So these are this cant is adjustable. You can adjust it so it can go straight. So that's where it fits inside of there. So like I said, you can wear it with regular pants, quick release belt if you're not carrying no gun, or with any other holster. Super strong nylon. And like I said, they come in 3 different sizes. So depending on what type of gun you got, what type of holster, that's why you would need to adjust it. But like I said, if you're not wearing it with a gun, you can still use the belt as a regular everyday belt. The buckles on these are too big to go through pants, regular pants belt. So you will go in through the adjustable way. You just pull this off and run this through the pants belt loop. And then once it's on, then you'll put this back on and adjust it to your firearm or adjust it to your waist. And that's pretty much it.
I see your motivation, I see your movement is in effect, and I fucking love that shit. Let's get it.